Outback for the first time.
Ooh, Fidgets want steak from big hamsters.
Yes. No big hamsters. I just realized what she said. Okay, and guys, in the tutorial video on how to feed him, I forgot to tell you that they need their dribbity drop, and also she can actually have some human food.
Delicious. Okay, we go inside.
By the way, if you watch that video, very cringy.
We're looking at the kids menu and trying to decide what to eat today. I'm so excited.
Well, I think we should have the chicken fingers.
I want big hamster meat.
There's no big hamster.
Oh, I guess we can have chicken fingers, Mommy.
They taste good though. So.
What kind of thing for sides?
Do you want fries?
I want fries, Mommy. That sounds good. Okay, that's our plan. What's Phil gonna get?
Oh wait, let's Junior
Sirloin. Oh, sounds delicious.
If anybody that doesn't know what it is, it's basically steak.
Yeah.
Tell me. This is cheeseburger.
Okay. We ordered.
Dinner, mac and cheese, really, it doesn't show. Outback.
Ooh. Okay, Mommy. Now we
want to eat what Teal's eating?
I'm gonna probably share with Teal. Ooh, delicious. Big hamster meat.
It's cow meat, Fidgets.
Hamster.
Cow meat.
Hamster.
Cow meat.
Hamster.
Cow meat.
Hamster. Oh, Mommy.
Don't hit people.
Okay, we'll just be back when she feels better.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
I still want to stop.
Time.
Okay.
Bill, Stinky Caesars, yucky, no more, all done.
Yeah?
Mommy, Disney. Cut faster. Ooh, big hamster. Big hamster eating time. Oh, Mommy made a mess. Oh, Mommy. Why you make such big messes, Mommy? Here, give me a little, please.
How big is it?
Little piece. Hurry, Mommy. Hurry, I'm dying. Thank you, Mommy. I'm all full. I'm going to take a nap.
Wow. Well, we have dessert.
Later, Mommy, later. Night-night. Hey, guys, guess what? Fidgets is at the drive-in. Look at the big screen.
And the cockroach.
Oh, no, I'm not showing that to you. That's gross. No. We are going to go play at Playground till Ant-Man vs. Wasp comes on. Yay! Okay, Mom.
What do you think you'll like better, Ant-Man or the Wasp?
I like Wasp, Mommy. Girls are girl power.
Girl power.
Girl power, yes. Okay, let's go playground. Okay, Mommy, we go park and play. You ready?
Now we're going to be playing tag.
Okay, Fidgets play tag. You're it, Mommy.
You can't really go by yourself up here.
Okay, you help Fidgets.
I'm it.
Okay.
Me and you are it.
Okay, we get Teal. to a movie because it's Fidget's second birthday party.
No, it's not.
Fidget has lots of birthday parties this week because it's Fidget's birthday week.
She only thinks that.
So I'm going to sit back, relax, and watch Ant-Man and the Wasp.
We just don't want her to get hurt.
Here's Mommy. She looks very comfy,
By the
yes,
way,
in her cute little chair. And then here's Tio. Hi, Tio.
By the way, this is the last time, like, you're getting VIP. Yes.
VIP access to movie. Very special person.
By the way, Fidgets.
There's movie theater.
So, by the way, Fidgets, you know, we were first trying to put you on the floor. Then we were like, if you think it's your fear. No, we just didn't want her to get hurt.
Fidget doesn't want to get hurt on floor. You'd accidentally kick me, Tio.
Or would it be an accident, Fidget?
Fidget's not sure. Okay. Fidget, sit back. Fidget, relax and enjoy the show.
Yeah, and you better be nice. Sorry nobody can watch at home because it's copyright.
Copyright.